Back when I was deep in the financial industry, I watched a colleague get promoted and nearly double his income. But here's the catch. His base salary went down, but his quarterly commissions increased. That one promotion actually wrecked his cash flow. Why? Because when income becomes irregular, the system has to change and adapt with it. And most people realize it when it's too late. And look, budgeting for variable income is no joke. Probably one of the hardest things in personal finance. And if you Google this rabbit hole, it'll take you to all sorts of awful places. This might be the only place on the internet that you're gonna find the best solution. And after working with over 200 clients, many of them with variable income, I've seen the three same mistakes that sabotage your wealth again and again. They're not minor slip-ups. They're silent killers that keep high earners trapped in a vicious paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. Let's talk about how to avoid them so you can build a system that builds wealth on autopilot, no matter how unpredictable your income is. This first tip might come as a shocker, but listen up. Stop depositing your entire paycheck into your Bank of America checking account. That account paying you 0.01% interest is like financial quicksand. Instead, deposit everything into a high-yield savings account. This one change eliminates the ups and downs of variable income. With a high-yield savings account, the money lands there and stacks like a tower of cash, ready to be deployed when and where you need it. From there, you transfer what you need to pay the bills. Then you send money to another checking account for spending only. This breaks up your financial slush fund. This is the same strategy that I helped my friend and mentor Dan break the paycheck to paycheck cycle and save over $200,000 in a couple years. If you want to check that out, you can see the link down below. Once you've got your money landing in the right place, you need to solve the next problem. Most people with variable income spend whatever they make that month, or use their bonuses or commissions to pay down the credit card. Big month equals big spending, small month equals credit card debt. That's where tip number 2 comes in. Think of your income like a roller coaster. One month you make 15 grand, the next month it's 9 grand. Your regular checking account rides every bump and dip, but let me seriously change your entire financial life right now. The amount you spend every month has to be fixed. The roller coaster ups and downs disappear as soon as you deposit into that high yield savings account and start paying yourself a weekly spending cash infusion. No matter what you actually earn, this is like being your own boss and paying yourself a paycheck. Let me show you how this works. This is a spreadsheet that all my clients use to get a breakdown of where all of their money is going. So in this example, we said if they're making 15,000 months or 9,000 months, let's just say they're on average doing 12,000. So this would be the number in the income bucket. The client would then go out and we'd work together to find the numbers that make sense here. But in this just random example here, let's say they're doing 2,000 a month on spending. We break that down into a $500 weekly cash infusion so that no matter how much income is happening, whether 9,000 or 15,000 or whatever, all the spending stays the same. And the rest of the money just collects up top. And so we can see here on the right side of the spreadsheet, we have this free cash flow. So based on this number, in this example, if they're doing 12,000, then the number would be 2,000 left over every month. But we can also see here, hey, if they have a $15,000 month, boom, now we see that they would save 5,000. Oh, you've only got a $9,000 a month. Now you're in the red, $1,000. But again, the good months save up the extra money. So in the bad months, you don't even feel a thing and just live your life like it's a normal day. Let's sum it up. Say your average monthly income is $12,000. Your bills are $8,000 and your spending is $2,000. That's $10,000 total going out the door each and every month. No more, no less. Whether you make $9,000 or $15,000 that month, the extra money stays in the high yield savings account, building that buffer bigger and bigger. This solves the biggest problem with variable income. People inflate their lifestyle during the good months, then they crash and burn during the lean months. You avoid the debt roller coaster completely. Your spending stays consistent, your savings grows automatically, and your stress disappears. Now you've got a steady income flowing, but there's one more mistake that kills wealth faster than anything. Even smart people with good systems fall into this trap. And this brings up our final tip. Create specific savings buckets for every major expense. Most people with variable income do this backwards. They get a huge commission check or annual bonus and they blow it on credit card catch-up payments and random crap. They're always playing catch-up, but here's what you can do instead. Create separate savings buckets for specific goals. Vacation bucket, new car bucket, pool membership, kids stuff, new grill, whatever. As your buffer gets bigger from the good months, you can adjust how money flows into these buckets automatically, not in your spending account. What I teach my clients is to get 1 month ahead in their emergency fund first. In this high yield savings account that I advocate acts as your main emergency fund. Once you get a month ahead, then we start employing the savings buckets so that Christmas isn't a surprise. All the stuff for your kids, whether it's like soccer cleats or back to school clothing or impromptu field trip, cake decorating party class, I don't know, making up stuff here on the fly, but all these things can stack up and these surprises won't catch you off guard anymore. Now, my clients Andrew and Ashley are like superstars in this category. They were fantastic to work with and they were able to just put a ton of money in these savings buckets through some perfectly timed commissions and bonuses and things like that when we were working together. You can check out their testimonial video below, but they were like a prime candidate of people that were able to really get ahead in some of these buckets based on the way their cash flow landed. Variable income doesn't have to feel like you're riding a roller coaster. You can smooth out those ups and downs starting today. These tips work, but only if you implement them. And I've created a 5-step coaching program that I walk every one of my clients through. Inside, you'll get the exact spreadsheet, the exact bank guides, and automation sequences to get off the roller coaster, slash your debt, and hit your saving and investing goals on autopilot. People are saving thousands of dollars every year and kicking their financial anxiety to the curb. Click the link in the description below if you're ready to book your free strategy session. Otherwise, watch my previous video about how to use the 2025 recession to get rich. Automation Nation, thanks for watching.